Style to design, best thing today. Let's transform this listing the stylish way.
Hey, Heather Kane here over at Style to Design. We are so excited. We are pulling up to 525 Weber in Naples. And Kelly,
It needs help, you guys. Come along and see what we offer for one of our own listing agents, Sam Abar. Let's see what we can do to help her out.
Okay, this is it, guys.
it is. And I know you're thinking, wow, holy yellow. But just imagine, Kelly and I had a brilliant idea. What if this is the guest house?
In the main house, couple stories, right
Right.
here in front.
There's a lot of property here. What is this, 2 acres?
2.5.
Two and a half acre
acres.
in the heart of Naples.
Yeah, this location is spot on.
We have to go with the style in the area, right? On acreage. What are you thinking if we stick with a farmhouse front?
So if you make this farmhouse, Kelly, what if you do like a brick whitewash here? What do you think? Do we keep the arches?
Arches are coming back, but I think we still square these off.
Yeah.
Square them off.
Put pendants on either side, do the whitewash brick lay on the front, and call it a day.
Get rid of that yellow.
Yep.
The yellow has
It's gotta
got
go.
to go.
So Style
There
to
you go.
Design has a perfect design board for this, and we will go ahead and make that simulation so that buyers can see the full potential.
I love it.
I love it.
I'm excited.
Wow.
The kitchen.
It's original.
It's original. It reminds me kind of the 70s show, but what we went ahead and chose in this room to kind of stick with our farmhouse is the transitional. So we're going to stick with transitional off of our platform for this one.
Yeah, I really think that I see two-tone cabinets. So the white, just to kind of brighten this up, because it looks like the air conditioning is within the soffit right here. So if we keep the uppers white, but maybe make this island a little bit larger and actually do more of a black so we get that contrast. And then obviously we're gonna have universal flooring through here. What do you think for these pendants, Kelly?
I think we should do more of a transitional pendant, maybe a little boho feel, and then pop a few bar stools on the other side.
So Kelly, what is the plan for this outdoor patio?
All right, so of course we're still on acreage. We're gonna use the same as we did up front. We're gonna kick it into the farmhouse here, right?
All right.
It's already plumbed for an outdoor kitchen. So we're gonna do an L-shaped outdoor kitchen. We're gonna show some stone out here. We're gonna, bring some life into this patio.
Even though, this is covered right here, you do have this wood detail that you could take that off. I mean, you have so much acreage, you could do a big pool here, or you could keep it within the footprint. And that's why we wanted to go ahead and do those renderings through Style to Design so the buyer can see the full potential of this space. Best part about us is if they want to see those options, by a click of a button, we can give them those visuals.
And they can purchase them.
Everything is sourced already for the buyer to purchase through the Style to Design platform.